Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate the radius of a 360-degree cycle flare skirt. So if you're interested, do watch this video to the end so you won't miss important part of this video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and let's get into it. Making a cycle skirt is very easy and quick if you get the formula and calculation right. So what is the formula for calculating a 360-degree cycle flare skirt? The formula is C is equals to 2 pi r, where C stands for the circumference of a cycle, which is also known as our waist circumference. That is the round waist measurement. And 2 stands for a symbol. Then pi is 22/7, which is constant. Then r, that is the radius of the cycle. It is unknown to us. Okay? Now back to the formula. We say C is equals to 2 pi r, right? So, and we already know that C is our waist circumference. So the waist circumference we'll be working with is 35. That is including the zipper allowance of 2 inches. The actual waist is 33, so I added 2 inches for my zipper allowance, making it 35. Okay, then 2, we bring down the 2 from the formula, and the pi, which we know that is 22/7. So we are going to multiply that now. Then we'll add our r. So 35 is equals to 2 bracket 22 divided by 7, which give us 3.14. Then bracket r. Now we are going to make this number 1. So by chancing it, 35 is equals to 2 times 314 is 6.28. Then r. Now, in order to determine the r, which is unknown to us, remember our r is our radius, okay? So we need to divide both sides by 6.28. I hope you understand this. If you do, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you don't, go ahead and ask your question in the comment section. Now, let's continue. So here, 6.28r over 6.28. We cancel each other, leaving only r. Then here, 35 over 6.28 is equals to r. Remember, our r is still unknown to us. So we are going to use our calculator now to get the actual value of this r. Here, 35 divided by 6.28 will give me 5.5732 and so on. So when I approximate this, I will have 5.57. Okay? Therefore, our radius is now 5.57 inches for a skirt waist circumference of 35 inches. Okay, I hope this makes sense and we are on the same page. So here is our cycle. As you can see, this is the radius, and that radius is 5.57. okay, if you don't understand, please ask your question in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Now, to know the amount of fabric to fold when making a 360-degree flare skirt, you need to add your radius to your skirt length. Okay, so the skirt length I'm working with is 22 inches plus 1 inch hemming allowance, making it 23 inches. Another thing to take into consideration is the length of the band. That is, if you are going to add band to your skirt, then remove the length of the band from the skirt length. Okay, now let's say I'm adding a band of 1.5 inches. That is 1.5 inches to the skirt. Then I'm going to minus 1.5 from my skirt length, which will give me 21.5. So this 21.5 is what I will add to this radius here. I hope you guys understand. Now let's add up. Our radius is 5.57 from our calculation, right? Plus the length of the skirt, which is 21.5. So If you add these two together, you get 5. Let's just use our calculator so we'll be accurate. 5.57 plus 21.5, it will give us 27.07, which is the same thing as 27, right? But if you don't want to throw away the 7, you can still use it, but it's less than anything, so it's just 27. Okay, so now the amount of fabric we are going to fold is 27.07 in width and 27.07 inches in length. I hope this makes sense. Now let me illustrate how to fold your fabric and how to cut a 360-degree flare. So let's assume that this is our pattern paper and it's folded into 4. So when you open it up, we have 27.07 times 2. That is 54 inches in length, while the width is 27.07. But when I fold it into 4, I will have the length here to be 27.07. The same here, the same length, 27.07 here, while the width will be 27.07 inches. I hope you guys understand. That's all for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a like, share the video so others will see it and watch it. Then leave me a comment in the comment section if you have any question. And I'll see you guys in my next video, where I will show you how to use this wedges to cut a 360-degree cycle fresh skirt. Okay, so stick around, and if you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. Bye for now.